导演准备好了吗？
开机！
一场一镜一次。
Where are you, kiddo?
Dad, I'm up on Grandma's roof. No lighting here, right?
Hey, be careful up there. Hang on a second. I'm switching to 555G.
What did you say? Silky chicken?
You little goof. All you think about is eating chicken.
My sweetie, it's called 5G. With 5G, video calls won't glitch anymore.
Oh, like a rooster's comb. If I get 5 chickens, the signal's gonna rock. I got around about 5 chickens. Don't run, stay still. Finally, I've caught a chicken.
Wuji, lunch is ready.
Wow, chicken today. Grandma, wait, is this our big hen?
Who was talking about eating chicken yesterday? I cooked it for you today.
Oh, when am I going to have all 5 chickens? Dapong, I need 5 chickens to boost the signal, so can you help me find some chickens?
Sure, I'll help you snag some chickens, but once your signal's good, I dibs first. I want to try that very popular deep seek thing.
Deep what? Disco?
Whatever, just remember to let me play with it.
You giving me your chickens? Won't your grandma get mad?
Never mind. I've been feeding them lately. She's got no clue.
Five chickens. Still need 2 more. If I fail, I'm stuck waiting till next weekend. Grandma, how come there's an extra chicken in the yard?
It's your birthday today. I'm making chicken for lunch.
Awesome, the universe is on my side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still short 1. Now what?
Hello.
A toy chicken's still a chicken. Hey, can you hang out with me for 2 minutes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's got to be enough now.
Kiddo, I'm back. Check out who that is.
Mum, why are you guys back?
We came to celebrate your birthday. Heard you've been chasing chickens all over the place.
You said 5 chickens, right? I'm still 1 short.
You silly kiddo. This is a real 5 chickens.
What a happy family. The village is waiting for you guys to help build that 5G base station.
You bet. Once the station is up, there won't be any more lagging when we make video calls.
Yep, amazing things will come with a 5G base station. It's a project supported by representatives from the 2 sessions. And Wuji, you don't need to run around the village grabbing chickens anymore.